Small steps made over time move mountains. You cannot get super fit within a week or month of starting the exercise, but the changes are visible over a period of time. SIP or Systematic Investment Plan works just like that. They are small steps that can help you achieve your big dreams, like buying a dream house, your first car, or dream vacation abroad. Though all these come with big price tags, SIP can help you achieve them in a planned and disciplined way. SIP helps you invest a fixed amount periodically in a scheme of your choice. With SIP, you can make the most of the power of compounding that can help you transform small investments into a big corpus over long term. Average out buying cost as you invest across market cycles. Avoid timing the market as you invest irrespective of the market levels. Invest small with an amount as low as Rs 500 a month. Choose SIP frequency as per your cash flow, be it weekly, monthly or quarterly. Instill discipline in your investments and meet your financial goals with ease. What's more, you can select from different variants of SIP based on your needs, like with SIP Top-Up or SIP Booster, increase your contribution in an ongoing SIP automatically on a periodic basis and can help you reach your goals faster. Thus, as your income increases periodically, so should SIP amount, isn't it? With Century SIP or CSIP, get a free life cover of up to Rs 25 lakhs or 100 times your SIP amount, so that you can meet your family goals even when you are not around, as life is full of uncertainties. With Fast Forward SIP, increase the SIP frequency from monthly to weekly or quarterly to monthly and fast forward your investment journey to reach your destination faster. Just like you shift gears to increase car speed, likewise, Fast Forward SIP can help you meet your goals faster. With Any Day SIP, choose any day of the month as your SIP date. Seize the day of your choice from 1st to 28th of any month, like your payday or any other auspicious day, and start SIP based on your convenience. With Perpetual SIP, continue your SIP for as long as you want without any interruption, so that you forget the hassle of renewing your SIP periodically. With Multi-SIP, start SIP in multiple schemes using a single application form, so that you save time and efforts of filling multiple forms. Amazing, isn't it? With so many SIP variants around, go ahead and choose the one which suits you the most. For details, refer Scheme Information Document (SID) or Key Information Memorandum (KIM) of the schemes. For more information, call 1800-270-7000 or visit adityabirlasunlifemf.com or contact your financial advisor today. Aditya Birla Capital. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.